90% of our orders are multi-item orders, which made Skublox a no-brainer. We use Skublox to help with the picking and the packing. It has really made the team a lot more efficient. From the moment that they go to the bin, they pull up the pick list on their tablet, they go ahead and they go to the bin, find the items that they need, bring it back, place it into Skublox. It's really a seamless flow. And that's what we've been looking for, because in today's day and age, it's the last thing a customer wants to deal with an item that they didn't get. My name is Mark Fermansky. I'm part owner here at Priority Fulfillment. We own and operate this 3PL where we have clients and we are clients. So our brands are clients of the fulfillment center as well. We're currently across 20 different platforms, internationally and domestically. We're on everything from TikTok Shop to Wayfair to Walmart, eBay, Amazon, multiple Shopify sites. We have 30 3PL clients, which all as well have about 4 or 5 different selling platforms that they utilize. And just being able to integrate it all into one system really has made it seamless. There's nothing worse for a customer than to receive items that they didn't order or the wrong items. We used to have a lot of different issues. We used to have to go around with the picking bins throughout the entire 3PL warehouse, picking from the location into a picking bin rather than having a set Skublox. Skublox allows us to go ahead and place the items in temporary bins. It has a light system, which is phenomenal. And it turns green when the packer is allowed to actually touch it. It's a very practical system. It thinks for you. So the process, the flow is a lot easier. It's a lot more efficient. What Skublox has done for us is it's facilitated that end process. Once the item's been picked, it used to all come over to a shelf that then the packer would have to randomly pick items and kind of decipher what a SKU was and what that item was within the picking bin or within the picking area. It's created a new workflow and a huge efficiency in the picking, packing, sorting, and ensuring, most importantly, that our customers are getting the items that they're ordering. The employees are a lot happier, they're working a lot better. My employees are able to do what they're good at doing, picking, packing, shipping, while it allows us to be outside of the business, focusing on the growth. And everybody acknowledges and notices the efficiency improvement.